Yes, India will be looking for a repeat of all these glorious visuals and more as they get set to defend their winner's medal in the Hero Intercontinental Cup, beginning with the challenge of Tajikistan tonight. As the fans cheer the teams coming out of the dugout, a total of 6 round-robin games will be played between the 7th and the 16th of July before the grand finale on the 19th of this month. Jasur Mukhtarov blows the whistle and blows open the tournament with it. India looking to defend their winners' medals from last time. Changte to Sahal, great piece of footwork there from Sahal Abdul Samad. Releases Mandar on that left-hand side, who releases Changte in return. The tackle has failed. Is that a penalty? It is a penalty. And an early opening for the Blue Tigers here in Ahmedabad.
Great work from him. Just tucks it there on his left foot, just rolls it forwards. Mandar just tucks it down the line, but watch, you see there's no danger, but because the foot was high there from Asarov, Changte had gone past him.
8 goals in the previous edition of the Hero Intercontinental Cup. Number 68 from Sunil Chetri goes to 69! Sunil Chetri on the score sheet! How often have you heard us say that? And India are up and running in the Hero Intercontinental Cup 2019.
Cheeky Sunil yet again.
Here's a chance for Tajikistan! Gurpreet Singh Sandhu almost beaten. He didn't know where to go, whether to take a step forward or back, and eventually was found in no man's land. Thankfully, didn't find the back of the net. Here's a bit of a mistake. Udanta almost found Chetri there. Good little turn. Sahal to Chetri. Turning, finding options. Udanta looking for Rahul Bheke. Good cross. Chetri with the header, but it was off balance when he was trying to head it towards goal. The 5th corner of the game for Tajikistan. A chance here. Cleared away by Adil Khan. Some desperate defending from probably the best defender right now in this Indian. Once again being asked questions of Gurpreet Singh Sandhu out of his position. And he had to be. And the birthday boy is giving an almighty account of himself. Finds Udanta, finds him onside as well, does Rahul Bheke. Leaves the defender for dead. Chance for India, Changte. If only it fallen towards his left foot more kindly. Chetri on the ball. Chetri! Well, he went past Messi with the previous goal. And I will not be surprised if he gets another hat-trick against Tajikistan. It's 2-0 to India. You give him an inch, he'll take a mile. Sunil Chetri. Boy, does he make you smile.
How old is he, by the way? You've got to turn around and say that is a fantastic finish. It really, really is.
So the minute added on has now come to an end. The referee blows the whistle and ends the first half, where Sunil Chetri from the spot got India the lead. 2 goals for him, 2 goals for India, 2-0 to the Blue Tigers in their first home game in 2019 and here at the EKA Arena. At halftime, India 2, Tajikistan 0. Kick-off then in the second half here. 2-0 to India. Great ball threaded through. Chance for Tajikistan. Good save, Gurpreet first time, not the second time. And eventually Tursunov has his goal, and so do Tajikistan. India beaten, but Tajikistan have found a way back.
Mandar let his man go. That was the problem.
Adil Khan with an outside of the foot effort to release Udanta. Chetri's in the middle once again. Towards Chetri! And so nearly his 4th career hat-trick.
That's the easiest of the lot for him. It really is, because it's been put on a plate. It's been whizzed back about 7-8 yards out from Udanta.
Chance again and goal again! The Indian defence found napping once again. And this time Boboev, pulled up socks or not, has certainly pulled them back into the game. 2-2. Trouble here for India. Tajikistan have their 3rd. They've come from 2 goals down to score a third and take the lead here in Ahmedabad. Rahimov with the goal. Super finish past Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. And the Indian defence once again at 6s and 7s. Building nicely again at Tajikistan. 4-2 would be dangerous, and 4-2 it is! Onside as well. Devastating this for the Blue Tigers. And the number 11 who just come on, threatening to be the number 11 on the other side, scores the 4th. From 2-0 down to 4-2 up. Take a bow, Tajikistan. Needs a sprint from Jerry. He brings exactly that out. Good cross to boot as well. Maybe not, because there wasn't really anyone in a blue shirt. Roland Borges! So nearly a super sub.
Went deep, they don't deal with the ball. Vinit Rai does well to go and attack it. And Roland at the right place at the right time, but just couldn't make that connection.
Another opportunity for Tajikistan. Almost goal number 5 as well. Bodies on the line stop from the substitute Jerry Lalrinzuala.
Young Jerry in the right place at the right time there.
Yeah, the number 4 hadn't done that. It would have been number 5 for Tajikistan, I can assure you that.
Tajikistan in the driving seats after day 1 and match day 1.
Yeah, it was New Zealand who surprised India in the previous edition of the Hero Intercontinental Cup. It was the last time India had conceded 2 in the second half. Well, they've beaten that by some margin, conceded 4 from a 2-0 and a fairly comfortable scoreline at half-time with Sunil Chhetri's brace. Tursunov made no mistake on the other. Bobo have doubled the lead in 174 seconds from the first goal. Rahimov and Samiev doing the business right and making it 4-2 to flatter Tajikistan.
Jekyll and Hyde performances from both sides, but Tajikistan putting the ball in the net more than India, and that's why they get the big 3 points.